Welcome, I'm Ms. Lansmann, your math teacher. Today I'm going to be discussing your supply list, homework, discipline plan, grading, and any resources you would need for our math class. If you have any questions, please email me at lansmanns@pcsb.org. Please write that down so that way if you have any questions, you can always email me. For math class, we need one spiral notebook, loose leaf paper, a red pronged folder, and extra pencils. We also highly encourage students to have a backpack with a laptop pouch so that way they can keep their laptop safe, a pencil pouch so that way they can keep their pencils, highlighters, erasers, and glue sticks all in one place. Homework will be assigned every day, Monday through Thursday. No homework on weekends. Students who are struggling on the concept is encouraged to come in the next day to ask questions. If students are having trouble, ELP is provided at the school. Students can pick up a form in my room in 3116 These are some resources you can find through Clever. On Clever, our main apps are Focus, Canvas, Quizzes, and iExcel. Our books for 6th grade is called Savis Easy Bridge. You can find that on Clever. For the 7th grade book, it's called Connect Ed McGraw-Hill Education. That can also be found on Clever. If you have any remaining questions, please reach out to me at lansmanns@pcsb.org. Thank you guys so much for your time, and I hope you have a great day.